Hey guys, I'm Shawn Cheek of WebPianoTeacher.com. Got some Elton John today, Come Down in Time. It's the version you can find on YouTube where Sting and Elton sing together years ago. Just look it up on YouTube and listen to it. That's what we're going to be doing today. Okay, let's take a listen to it. In the quiet silence, and so forth. All right, guys, all the lessons for this are, as always, on WebPianoTeacher.com. You know, you can watch all the free part ones on the website for free without having to buy a membership. So if you want to check out some part ones there without having to watch ads, that'd be great. Also, if you're a member, you can download the sheet. You can either purchase it directly or use some of your sheet credits depending on which membership you got. Well, this is going to be fun. We just got out of church and we went by Panda and ate a bunch of, well, I ate a bunch of some Panda, the Asian food, and really good. I'm really full of that. The kids are in the other room playing, so we thought we'd do a quick video series today, so we just keep trying to have one video series a day. So we've got some Elton John here. Let's dive into it. So we'll start in with this kind of melodic right hand. All right, and da 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 da. And the left hand's just going to have these straight quarter notes, which kind of keep the beat. They're kind of the hi-hat here, just keeping the beat for us on this intro part. Okay, so I would listen to the Elton and Sting live version. Look it up on YouTube. It's really outstanding. You get a lot of stuff in there, and I do transcribe every note in the whole performance, and it's on the website. So let's get started. We'll have right hand on B, C, E, B, A, like that. So below middle C, your thumb goes on B, second finger on middle C, and then third finger on E, and then we'll reach up for the B with our fifth finger in A. So da 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 dum. All right, it's kind of a stretch. If you have trouble doing a stretch, you could do this 2-1. So 2-1, that would work as well. Or just if you can feel like you can have that stretch. That's how I like to do it. The left hand is just going to be a single A, then G, G, G. The thing here is just simplicity. Strip down texture. All right. So, bop, 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 bop. You play your left hand A with that first note, and then when you get to this A, we're going to play G on the thumb, and then two more times. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and don't blur that with your pedal. You can use pedal through it, but don't hold it down the whole time, because then it's going to blur. Next measure. All right, we'll go to a D chord. We were doing a A minor 7 chord there. Really an A9, A minor 9, the B sound in there. Now we're going to go to a D chord here, D on the left hand, fifth finger on D, then your thumb's going to go to D. So you're going to do exactly like you did here. We're just on different notes. The right hand's on F sharp, middle finger, then G with the fourth finger, E with 2, F sharp with 3, C with 1. So 3, 4. The stuff in parentheses is for the repeat. See that 2 there? That means we're going to do this bracketed section 2 times. When we come back, we'll do so we'll add that in there on that second time through. But let's do it as the first time goes. Okay, now let's put both measures together. Here we go. Very good. Now the second time through, you do B, C, G, C, G. That first B, C comes after you play that first D there. And then this G comes with the D on the left hand. So, bop, bop, bum, bop, bop. So that second time you come through, 2, 3. All right, so that's the intro. When the singing starts, na, na, na. So G, C, E on the right hand, left hand on an A octave this time. So it's the A minor 7 we did here. We just don't have an introduction melody. It's just 1, 2. And then we have F sharp A, D, left hand on a D. So we go, after we play this D chord, we We do the A again, a little quicker. When I have a curved line, that means those notes go a little faster. The dashes mean those are going to be longer note values. 1, 2, 3, bump, bump, bump. And an E there on the thumb, anticipating going back to the A minor. So let's do all of it from the beginning. And go. 3, 4. And you repeat it. Very good. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that part 1 lesson. We do the whole thing, every little lick that I can hear that Elton does in this recording. Right in here and teach you and hold your hand. Each measure, we'll learn it together all the way through. Have a great day.